The same strategies that win world championships apply to business, relationships, and every decision you will ever make. Today, I am revealing four principles that masters use to dominate and how you can apply them to win at life. Lesson 1. Think three moves ahead. Masters do not think about the next move. They think 3, 5, 10 moves ahead. Every action triggers a chain reaction. They visualize the entire sequence before touching a piece. Magnus Carlsen can calculate 20 moves ahead. Jeff Bezos built Amazon the same way. While competitors chased quarterly profits, he thought 5 years ahead. He took losses for years because he calculated that long term position would dominate. That foresight made him one of the richest people alive. Stop making decisions based on immediate results. If I take this job, where does it lead in 3 years? If I start this habit, what does life look like in 6 months? Think in sequences, not single moves. Lesson 2. Sacrifice to gain position. Sometimes you have to lose something to win. Grandmasters willingly sacrifice their queen to create a winning position. It looks like losing, but it's calculated investment. They trade material for something more valuable, position, momentum, or initiative. Bobby Fischer was famous for spectacular sacrifices. He would give up his queen, and 5 moves later, checkmate. Elon Musk sold PayPal for $180 million, then sacrificed almost all of it into SpaceX and Tesla when everyone said they would fail. He was not gambling, he was sacrificing short term security for long term position. Sacrifice reveals what you value. What are you willing to give up to get where you want? Comfort for growth, entertainment for education. Every successful people sacrificed something to gain position. You also have to. Lesson 3. Control the center. Control the center and you control the possibilities. In chess, the center four squares are the most important territory. Control them and your pieces have maximum mobility. Your opponent's options shrink. Fight for a center or fight from a disadvantage forever. Gary Kasparov dominated for 20 years because of aggressive center control. He created opportunities by occupying the most important space. Apple does not compete everywhere. They dominate the premium smartphone center. Amazon conquered e-commerce first, then expanded from that position. Control the center of your industry, and everything else becomes easier. What's the center of your life? Health, a key skill, or one relationship? Find it, pour resources into controlling it, and then expand from strength. Lesson 4. Time pressure reveals character. In chess, run out of time and you lose even if you are winning. Grandmasters train for time pressure. They practice making good decisions fast because in real games you have seconds, not hours. Mikhail Tal thrived in time pressure. His opponents panicked. He stayed calm, trusted his intuition, found brilliant, and moves with seconds left. Michael Jordan wanted the ball with seconds remaining because he taken that shot 10,000 times in practice. Surgeons stay calm during complications because they have trained for them. Time pressure does not create your character, it reveals what you have built. If you fall apart under deadlines, it's insufficient preparation. Practice making decisions quickly. Build systems that work when you are stressed. Lifetime pressures you. The question is, will it expose weakness or wields preparation? Four principles that separate chess masters from immatures and successful people from average. Your life is the board. Your decisions are the moves. The question is, are you playing for winning or just moving pieces randomly? If this changed how you see strategy, hit like and subscribe. Comment which principle you are applying first. Remember, the player who thinks furthest ahead usually wins. Now go play your game of life like a grandmaster. Subscribe for stronger you.